What do you think? Pretty cool. Come on, we're going this way. Let's go check out the new horse. Well, look at that, Grace. Tahoe's coming over to see you. Gracie, what do you think of the horse? Hi, Tahoe. Hi, buddy. Come on, Grace. Hi, sweet pea. All right, Grace. Should we go? Okay.